Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is ASA's quick tip and trick you can use to color grade your photo and enhance the photo. Alright, so here in Lightroom, I'm just going to show you a quick tip you can use. And the first place we're going to go to is the calibration. Go increase this one backwards, take this one upwards. You can as well increase the saturation just a little bit to get more depth. Now you can see that the photo is actually flat. So you can actually balance the greens of it and then increase the green. Alright, so that's enough. Go up, close this one, take to the basic tab, go to the luminosity, and then take everything all the way up except the aquas, which is actually the color present, because it's actually going to make the photo clip. Take this one up and then take this one up. You can actually decrease the aqua, the luminosity of the aqua, or you can take it up. And also for the blues, or you can take it up. So I'm going to take it just a little bit like this and this like this. Alright, so I'm going to go to the saturation, and for that I'm going to increase the red saturation all the way up, and you can see the back of our lips. If not, just leave it somewhere around there. Let's take this one up, take this one up, and then take this one green just like this. Take this one aqua just a little bit because we have some aquas. Take the blues a little bit up, and we can balance this one backwards. Also take the purple up, all the way up. Take the magenta all the way up to the hue. Now it depends on what you want. I'm going to take this one up to make it look like the orange. Take this one up, and then take this one up, and take this one up. And I'm going to leave this to take this one up and then take this one up. Okay, so I'm going to close that, go back to the hue and saturation, and let's fix this one, which is the orange. We can bring it back and then bring this one back and then bring the second one back. Alright, so I'm good with that. Let's see, bring this down, go to the basic tab, and then the last thing is the highlight. Increase the highlight, decrease the white, decrease the blacks, or increase the blacks instead. And then for the shadows, okay, let's reset the blacks and then increase the shadows, and then we're done with that. Let's close it and have a look at before and after. So that's how to make your photo enhance your photo.